Hi everybody, 𝐂𝐫𝐫 here, and I want to share a box with you that is going to be so much fun. And here it is. It is our Mega Make and Take Extravaganza at Home Jolly Good Cards box. And look at how adorable. I love the colors. I love the presents. How cute is it? And the flowers and the little holly and the little gingerbread man. And of course, my favorite spot, your box of happy just arrived. And who doesn't love getting these boxes in the mail or crafting boxes of awesomeness in the mail, right? I love it. And so the spine has Jolly Good cards on it. So if you want to keep it in your shelf and be able to easily grab, I'm a visual person, so there's this really pretty green stripe across the box and on the sides. And so that is just so adorable. And you guys are gonna love this box. I promise. I took some notes. So put the jolly in your holly with these amazing mega projects. This cheerful event is full of moon dust, shaker cards, and holiday tags. From vintage to traditional, these projects will have something for everyone. So remember that these boxes won't last long, so you're gonna wanna get your hands on it. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so here is the exciting box of jolly goodness. I can't wait to open it and see what's inside. This is my favorite part because I love to see the little hidden message. And yes, we have it. It's right here. It says, well, look who made the good list. How cute. That's funny. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull the projects and see what's inside. So the first one we have is Riley and Company. And I see adorableness there. How cute. Then we have Treasured Memories. Some beautiful cards. Some chalk couture with the chalkin' chick. I spy some chalk paste. That's gonna be fun. And how about Stamp on It with their gold stickers? It's so beautiful. I see some multi-glue drops. Ooh, and some moon dust. Look at that. Ooh, that's gonna be so much fun. So Stamp on It. Then we have Stamp Anything. Love Stamp Anything's project, so that's gonna be a lot of fun. And then we have Dare to Be Artsy. That's gonna look like a really fun card there. And then Creative Creations. Love, how cute is that? Is it a llama? Yeah, it looks like a little llama. How cute. And I love the colors. Imagine getting that in the mail. So much fun. So that's another one. And then we have 𝐒𝐿𝐴𝐻. And that looks like I see a little gnome there. How cute is that? Looks like it's going to be a slimline card. Ooh, those are my favorites right now. Then, ooh, this one says gift card holders from One Paper Place. So that's gonna be so much fun. Look at that, how cute is that? And then we have Tall Mouse. Ooh, there's a little envelope. I wonder what's inside. We'll see. And you get your button, and you also get your paper keeper. So this is going to be so much fun. I cannot wait to see all the projects and all the demonstrations. It's just going to be so much fun. So you're gonna want to get your hands on this, I promise. I love Christmas, don't you? So remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and it's going to be so much fun. And always click that button so that when we put up a new video, you'll be alerted for it and you won't miss a thing. So everybody have a wonderful day. I love you. Thank you for watching.